Dollar Tree just dropped a fresh wave of garden finds, and gardeners everywhere are emptying the shelves faster than ever. Today we're diving into the best items that are not only budget-friendly, but surprisingly clever, including some home items you can repurpose in ways you'd never expect. From hacks that protect your plants, to DIY tools that save time and space, we're covering everything you need to upgrade your garden this season without breaking the bank. Stick around because by the end you'll have a full list of must-grab finds that will make your garden the envy of your neighborhood. And here's a little sneak peek of what's coming up. Find number 12 is a trick that uses something you already have at home to keep pests away, without chemicals. And find number 8 is a $1 item that can transform into a soft reusable plant tie that won't damage your stems. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our weekly gardening hacks and DIY tips. By the end of this video you'll know exactly what to look for next time you're at Dollar Tree, and how to turn each find into a practical garden game changer. Let's get started. Find number 1, disposable chopsticks as starting stakes. If you've ever struggled with keeping your seedlings upright or marking rows in your garden, you're going to love this hack. Dollar Tree's disposable chopsticks are the perfect budget-friendly solution for tiny stakes. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and just the right height for supporting young plants without bending or breaking. Simply push them into the soil next to each seedling, and you have an instant support system for tomatoes, peppers, or any delicate plant that needs a little extra stability. You can also use them to hold string or twine for a makeshift trellis, giving climbing plants a safe structure to grow on. Another great advantage is labeling. With a permanent marker, you can write the plant variety directly on the chopstick, making it easy to track your seedlings as they grow. They're also easy to remove once plants are stronger, leaving no permanent damage to roots or stems. This hack is simple, effective, and so cheap that you can stock up for the entire season without worrying about costs. With just a pack of disposable chopsticks, you've got a practical garden tool that's ready to help your plants thrive. Find number 2. Foam craft sheets for mulch barrier. This next Dollar Tree find is a game changer for anyone dealing with weeds or dry soil. Foam craft sheets, usually meant for crafts, can be repurposed as a lightweight mulch barrier around your plants. Simply cut them into strips or shapes, and place them around seedlings or along garden rows. They help block weeds from sprouting while keeping the soil moist and cooler, which is especially helpful during the hotter months. Not only does this make your garden look neat and tidy, but it also reduces the amount of time you spend pulling weeds or watering frequently. What's really clever about this hack is how versatile these foam sheets are. You can layer them for added insulation, tuck them around the edges of planters, or even use them as temporary markers for new rows. They're soft enough not to harm young plants but sturdy enough to hold up through a few weeks of growth. For gardeners looking for a simple, reusable, and budget-friendly solution, these foam craft sheets are a must-grab on your next Dollar Tree run. Find number 3. Wired holiday garland for trellis use. Here's a creative twist on a classic Dollar Tree item. Wired holiday garland. Normally meant for decorating during the holidays, this garland can be repurposed as a flexible trellis for your garden. Simply bend it into a frame or arch and use it to support climbing plants like peas, beans, or sweet peas. The garland's wire interior is strong enough to hold vines, but gentle enough not to damage stems, making it an easy and reusable solution for small spaces or container gardens. It's a perfect example of how something cheap and decorative can be transformed into a practical gardening tool. Beyond supporting plants, the garland adds a little visual interest to your garden while keeping things organized. You can secure it to stakes or existing structures and even combine multiple strands for wider trellises. This hack is not only budget-friendly, but also eco-conscious, repurposing items you might already have lying around the house. For anyone looking to maximize growth while saving money, this wired garland is an unexpected find you won't want to miss on your next Dollar Tree trip. Find number 4. Disposable baking pans for soaking transplants. Disposable baking pans aren't just for the kitchen, they're a surprisingly useful tool for gardeners. Dollar Tree's aluminum pans make perfect trays for soaking seedlings or transplants before planting. By filling a pan with water, you can quickly hydrate roots without making a mess, and the shallow design ensures the water reaches the base of each plant evenly. They're also ideal for carrying soil, tools, or even small plants from one area to another, making them a multi-purpose must-have for your garden setup. What makes this hack even better is its convenience and affordability. You can use a single pan for multiple plants, or even stack a few pans to organize different seedlings or soil mixes. When you're done, simply clean or recycle the pan, and you're ready for the next round of planting. Lightweight, disposable, and incredibly versatile, these baking pans are one of those Dollar Tree finds that feel like a hidden gem once you realize all the ways they can simplify your gardening tasks. Find number 5. Plastic clip hangers for air drying herbs. Plastic clip hangers aren't just for your closet. They're a surprisingly clever tool for gardeners, especially when it comes to drying herbs. By clipping stems to a hanger and suspending it in a well-ventilated area, you can dry herbs like basil, thyme, or parsley quickly and efficiently, without them touching each other or getting crushed. This simple setup keeps your herbs organized and allows air to circulate around each stem, preventing mold and preserving flavor. It's an easy, budget-friendly way to turn a basic Dollar Tree item into a practical gardening hack. The versatility doesn't stop there. You can use multiple hangers to create a vertical drying system, which is perfect for small kitchens, sheds, or even balconies. They're lightweight, reusable, and can handle multiple bunches at once, making them a great seasonal tool for anyone who loves to cook with fresh herbs. For gardeners who want to preserve their harvest without investing in specialized racks, these plastic clip hangers are an ingenious, low-cost solution you'll find yourself reaching for time and time again. Find number 6. Battery-operated tea lights as plant markers. Battery-operated tea lights aren't just for mood lighting. They're an unexpected gem for gardeners looking to label and illuminate their plants. By attaching a small label to the base, or staking the light into the soil, you can mark seedlings, rows, or specific plants, making them easy to identify even at dusk. These lights are especially handy in larger beds, or container gardens, where it's easy to lose track of what's planted where. They provide a practical, budget-friendly alternative to more expensive garden markers, and even double as subtle pathway lighting. What makes this hack even better is its versatility. You can use them to highlight garden paths, protect tender seedlings with a little extra visibility, or create a whimsical nighttime garden display while keeping things organized. They're lightweight, reusable, and come in packs, so you can scatter them throughout your garden without breaking the bank. For anyone looking to combine functionality with a touch of charm, these Dollar Tree tea lights are a must-grab for your next garden haul. Find number 7. Plastic cake stands as pot elevators. Plastic cake stands from Dollar Tree aren't just for parties. They make perfect pot elevators for your garden. By placing your potted plants on these stands, you can improve drainage, increase airflow around the base, and reduce the risk of root rot or stagnant water. This simple hack also elevates plants to a more visible height, making them easier to care for and giving your garden a tidy, tiered look. It's an inexpensive way to maximize space and keep containers off damp surfaces. Beyond practicality, these stands allow you to create visual interest in small gardens, patios, or indoor plant setups. You can stack multiple stands at different heights to make a layered display, giving even limited spaces a professional touch. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to clean, these plastic cake stands are one of those Dollar Tree finds that feel surprisingly luxurious when repurposed for gardening. Find number 8. Cheap fabric scarves as plant tie-downs. Cheap fabric scarves from Dollar Tree aren't just for fashion. They can be a gardener's best friend when it comes to supporting plants. By cutting them into strips, you can use them as soft, reusable ties for tomatoes, peppers, or any plant that needs gentle support. Unlike twine or wire, fabric won't cut into stems, allowing your plants to grow strong without damage. It's a simple, budget-friendly way to keep your garden organized while protecting delicate growth. These fabric ties are incredibly versatile. You can tie multiple plants at once, adjust the length as needed, and even use decorative scarves to add a splash of color to your garden. They're easy to wash and reuse season after season, making them an eco-conscious alternative to disposable options. For gardeners looking for a practical, stylish, and inexpensive solution, these scarves are a clever find you won't want to miss. Find number 9. Plastic cake boxes as mini greenhouses. Plastic cake boxes might look like party supplies, but they make excellent mini greenhouses for your seedlings. Simply place a small seedling or tray of young plants inside the box, and you've created a protective environment that traps warmth and moisture. This encourages faster germination and stronger growth while shielding delicate plants from drafts, pests, and sudden weather changes. It's an easy, inexpensive way to give your seedlings a head start without buying specialty greenhouse equipment. The versatility of these boxes is another bonus. You can lift the lid slightly to provide ventilation, water your plants without disturbing them, or even group multiple boxes together to create a small seed starting station. Lightweight, reusable, and widely available, these plastic cake boxes are a smart Dollar Tree find that turns a simple household item into a powerful gardening tool. Find number 10. Ice cube trays for fertilizer boosters. Ice cube trays aren't just for keeping drinks cold. They can be a gardener's secret weapon for feeding plants. By filling each compartment with compost tea, liquid fertilizer, or diluted plant food and freezing them, you create convenient pre-measured fertilizer boosters that can be dropped around plants as needed. This method ensures a slow, consistent release of nutrients and makes feeding multiple plants faster and more organized, especially in raised beds or container gardens. The versatility of this hack makes it a must-have for budget-conscious gardeners. You can mix different nutrients in separate trays, label them for specific plants, or even use the frozen cubes to water young seedlings gently. Lightweight, reusable, and easy to store, these ice cube trays turn a simple household item into a practical gardening tool that simplifies feeding while keeping plants healthy and thriving. Find number 11. Measuring spoons as micro-fertilizer tools. Measuring spoons aren't just for the kitchen. They're perfect for precise fertilizer application in the garden. Small amounts of nutrients, like kelp meal, blood meal, or other dry amendments, can be tricky to measure by hand, but a simple measuring spoon ensures each plant gets just the right dose. This prevents over-fertilizing, protects delicate seedlings, and helps you use your gardening products efficiently without waste. These spoons are also incredibly versatile. Use them to scatter tiny amendments evenly across pots, raised beds, or seed trays, or for mixing small batches of liquid fertilizer. Lightweight, inexpensive, and easy to clean, Dollar Tree measuring spoons transform a common household tool into a practical gardener's helper, making precise feeding simple and stress-free. Find number 12. Foam drink coasters as stem protection. Foam drink coasters might seem like a simple household item, but they can be a lifesaver in the garden. Slip them around the base of young seedlings to create a barrier against pests like cutworms or slugs, or use them to shield delicate stems from accidental damage. The foam is soft enough not to harm plants, but sturdy enough to provide a protective moat that keeps critters at bay. It's an inexpensive, easy-to-use solution that adds a layer of security to your garden, without chemicals or complicated setups. These coasters are also incredibly versatile and reusable. You can cut or stack them to fit different-sized plants, move them around as seedlings grow, and even brighten up your garden with their colors. For anyone looking for a budget-friendly, practical way to protect tender plants, these Dollar Tree foam coasters are a surprisingly effective and clever gardening hack. And there you have it, 12 clever Dollar Tree finds that can completely transform your gardening game without breaking the bank. From repurposed household items like chopsticks and ice cube trays, to surprisingly practical hacks like plastic cake stands and foam coasters, each of these items makes your garden more organized, efficient, and fun. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these budget-friendly ideas prove that you don't need expensive tools or fancy equipment to get great results this season. Now it's your turn. Which of these finds are you grabbing first on your next Dollar Tree run? Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite hacks or any creative conversions you've tried in your own garden. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a weekly dose of clever gardening tips, DIY projects, and budget-friendly solutions. Your garden will thank you, and you'll stay ahead of the trends with every season.